Accepting PayPal on Teachable is a straightforward process that allows you to expand your payment options and increase sales. To get started, you will need a Teachable account and a PayPal business account. First, log into your Teachable account and navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings section, click on Payments and then select Payment Gateways. Click on the Add Payment Gateway button and select PayPal from the list of available gateways. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will need to log in to your PayPal business account. Once logged in, you will be asked to authorize Teachable to connect to your PayPal account. Click on the Agree button to complete the authorization process. After authorizing Teachable to connect to your PayPal account, you will be redirected back to the Teachable website. Your PayPal account will now be listed as a payment gateway in your Teachable settings. Make sure to test the payment gateway by making a test purchase to ensure that everything is working correctly. It is also important to note that PayPal charges a transaction fee for each payment received. The fee is typically a percentage of the sale amount plus a fixed fee. You can find more information about PayPal fees on the PayPal website. To avoid any issues with payments, make sure to keep your PayPal account and Teachable account up to date. This includes ensuring that your email addresses and other contact information match in both accounts. By following these steps, you can easily accept PayPal payments on Teachable and provide your customers with a convenient and secure way to pay for your courses and products. This can help increase sales and customer satisfaction, which is essential for the success of your online business.